Bit of an update on the Nighthawk 650 83 model. I lost the videos that I had made of taking this thing all the way apart, cleaning the carburetors and getting it running. But at this point it runs. I'm getting ready to put the intake boots on, and I've got the brake master cylinders rebuilt, more or less. I cleaned them up and put them back together without a kit. Did the same thing to the front brake calipers. I'm waiting for parts to come in for what they call head cover gaskets, which are really valve cover gaskets in our terminology. And I'm fixing to put the intake boots on. I think I just said that. Got the fuel tank a little loose. Took the seat right back off today. I'll actually try to take it for the first ride today. Still got to put my headlight back in. And all those wires right there are turn signal wires. All these little wires. Figuring them out was a bit fun. It's not any good diagrams on the internet for these things. Still got to tighten up these bolts. I refinished the headlight tabs, and I thought I was doing chrome, and I wound up with what they call a black chrome, which really looks great. So that did not turn out exactly like I wanted it to. I will be redoing them. I also did the grab handle for the back of this thing, and I've sandblasted it so it's ready to be redone in proper chrome. I'm going to pick a day and do that, and I'm also going to do this rail right here. And I might pick up a few other pieces on here to do. But that's where we're at for right now. Give you a quick update, and I will continue this video a little bit later. Cleaning up pretty nicely. Alright, we got the Nighthawk 650. It's up and running. Took it down the road. I got to put turn signals on it still. Needs a lot more cleaning, but we have it up and running. This is after over 10 years of setting. I don't have the idle perfect yet, but it runs. I think my carburetors need to be synced. I'm sure there's some other little things to be done to it. I'm going to do some refinishing on it, but for right now I'm going to take a pause on this bike. It runs, got brakes, got a headlight. I've done a bit of cleaning on it, but it still needs more. So here we go. As I start refinishing more parts, I will probably video them. But meanwhile, I'm going to move on to the Yamaha SR500 in the other videos.